Hello, my dear viewers. You're watching CSS Studies and Technology. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing well. And in this segment, I'm going to give you 5 smart advanced English phrases that are helpful in your daily life conversation. So let's get going into the video. So the first phrase I'm going to give you in this segment is instead of angry. I think you're bored of being using angry if someone is angry on you. So the smart phrase you can use instead of angry is furious. For instance, Pinku is very angry on me. The advanced English statement that can be used instead of the above statement is Pinku is very furious on me. So the second advanced English phrase that I am going to give you instead of interesting is fascinating. I think you're also bored of being using the phrase interesting in your daily life conversation. For instance, if you see here, it's interesting. So bored of being using this. So advanced English sentence of this is it's fascinating. It's fascinating. So the third smart advanced English phrase that I am going to give you in this video is instead of endless. So the smart advanced English phrase that I am going to give you instead of endless is enormous. Enormous. For instance, if you look here, in the normal English conversation we use, they have an endless place to sit. In the advanced English conversation we use, they have enormous place to sit. Fourth smart advanced English phrase I am going to give you in this segment instead of kind is. So I think you are bored of listening this in any invitation that we are kindly inviting you to the party. Instead of using kindly, we can also use cordial, cordially, cordially. For instance, if you look here, in the normal English conversation we can use that we kindly invite you to the party. So being bored of using this, so in this segment I have given you that cordial is advanced English phrase that can be used instead of kindly. So replacing here, we cordially invite you to the party is a advanced English statement. So the last but not least advanced English phrase that I am going to give you instead of tasty is mouth watering. Mouth watering. For instance, if you take a look here, in the normal English conversation we use that cookies are tasty. So in the advanced English conversation we use that cookies are mouth watering. Cookies are mouth watering.